Hello everyone and welcome to the Excelandtally channel. In today's video, we will learn how to spell numbers in words in Excel using VBA Code. To get started, open your Excel workbook and press Alt F11 to open the VBA editor. Now click on the Insert button and select Module to create a new module. In the module, copy and paste the following VBA code. You can find the code in the description of this video. Alright, now that we have entered the VBA code in the editor, let's close the VBA editor back to our Excel sheet. To close the VBA editor, simply click on the X button in the top right corner of the window or use the keyboard shortcut Alt-Q. Now, let's go back to our Excel sheet and use the number text function to use number to text function type number text @woo and hit enter. Thank you for watching this video on how to spell numbers in Excel using VBA Code. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more Excel and Tally tips. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more valuable content in the future. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks again for watching and happy excelling.